Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel, and today I am gonna tell you about the branches of chemistry. So the first branch is physical chemistry, and it's a branch in which we study about the relationship between the composition and the physical properties. So composition is basically how any piece of matter is made up of which atoms. For example, if we take H2O, so it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, so it is the composition of H2O. Then in physical properties, it is the melting and the boiling point. So the melting and boiling point depend on the composition. So this is basically the relationship between the composition and the physical properties. And also it is the study of structure of atoms, and all this is studied under the branch of physical chemistry. Number 2 is organic chemistry. In this we study about organic compounds, hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Now you might be thinking what these three terms mean. So organic compounds are those compounds in which carbon is an essential element, for example CH3. Then hydrocarbons are actually a category of organic compounds, and they are such compounds which are formed just by carbon and hydrogen, and not any other element should be there in that compound. Then derivatives are such compounds which we derive from hydrocarbons or organic compounds. So the study of all these things come under the branch of organic chemistry. Number 3 is inorganic chemistry. Under this branch we study all the elements and their compounds except for organic compounds, hydrocarbons and their derivatives. This branch is applicable in every area of the chemical industry. Number 4 is the biochemistry. As its name indicates that bio means life and chemistry. So in this branch we study about all the chemical reactions taking place inside the living things. So with the help of biochemistry we can find any biological changes occurring in living things during a disease. Number 5 is the industrial chemistry. In this field or in this branch we study the production of chemical compounds on commercial scales, means on large scales in large factories, and they provide raw materials to other industries such as soap and all the detergents. These are all formed in these industries. Okay, so number 6 is nuclear chemistry. In this branch we study about the radioactivity, nuclear processes and properties. Radiation emitted are also very useful as well as harmful. Radiotherapy is its benefit, and it is used to treat diseases. All this comes under nuclear chemistry, and there are two types of reactions: the fission reaction and the fusion reaction. In fission reaction, a nucleus breaks down into two nuclei to produce energy, while in fusion, two nuclei combine to produce energy. Number 7 is the environmental chemistry. In this, we study about the environment and the surrounding, like where we are living, our surrounding. And we have biotic and abiotic environment. Biotic is living organisms environment, and abiotic includes temperature, pressure, water and etc. And it is helpful to make our environment cleaner and without pollution. So this helps us, the environmental chemistry helps us in all that by cleaning and preventing pollution, and so this is all environmental chemistry. Number 8 is analytical chemistry. It is very important, and in this we study the separation and analysis of any sample to find its composition. And there are two types of analysis. One is qualitative analysis and other is quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is used to identify the substance or the composition of chemical species, while quantitative analysis tells the amount of each component present in the sample. So this is all analytical chemistry. So guys, that was all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.